Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Learn Up English podcast. I'm Jake, and today we have another fun English lesson for you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Emma. In today's episode, we're going to talk about something really fun: how to talk about what you like to do in English.
That's right. You'll learn how to say your hobbies, your favorite activities, and how to ask others about theirs.
So if someone asks you, "What do you like to do?" you'll know exactly what to say.
Make sure you stay with us until the end. We'll do a short quiz and a fun challenge to help you practice.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video so you don't miss more easy English lessons.
All right, let's get started.
Okay, let's start with the most common question. What do you like to do?
Good. Let's say it slowly together. What do you like to do? Repeat twice.
Perfect. Now let's answer it. You can say, "I like to," plus your activity.
For example, I like to read. I like to watch movies. I like to play football.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I like to read. Pause. I like to watch movies. Pause. I like to play football. Pause.
Nice. Great job.
Jake, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like to play guitar. It helps me relax after a long day.
Oh, that's nice. I like to listen to music. Maybe I can listen to your songs one day.
Haha, maybe. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music and soft rock. What about you?
I like jazz and classical music. The piano sounds amazing in jazz.
That's true. I love music too. So, everyone watching, what music do you like?
Now, let's learn more ways to talk about hobbies. Here are some examples. I like to read books. I like to cook. I like to take photos. I like to go for walks. I like to travel. I like to watch TV shows. I like to spend time with my family.
You can also say, "I enjoy," plus the activity with ing.
Yes, for example, I enjoy cooking. I enjoy reading. I enjoy swimming.
Both "I like to" and "I enjoy" mean the same thing. They both talk about things you love doing.
Let's practice pronunciation together, slowly and clearly. Repeat after me. I like to cook. I like to travel. I enjoy reading. I enjoy listening to music. I like spending time with friends.
Great job. You sound awesome. Now, sometimes you want to say how often you do something. Let's learn some useful words. Always, usually, sometimes, rarely, never.
For example, I always read before bed. I usually go for a walk in the morning. I sometimes watch movies on weekends. I rarely eat fast food. I never play video games.
Let's say that together. Pause for repetition after each sentence.
Good work. These words help your sentences sound more natural.
Okay, let's listen to a short story about a fun weekend.
Let's go.
On Saturday morning, I usually wake up at 8 o'clock. I like to drink coffee and listen to music. After that, I go to the park. I enjoy walking and taking pictures.
In the afternoon, I meet my friends. We like to eat pizza and talk. Sometimes we watch a movie together. In the evening, I play guitar or read a book.
On Sunday, I like to relax. I don't work, I just stay home and cook something nice. It's my favorite day.
That's a nice weekend, Emma. Sounds relaxing.
Yes. Now, let's help our viewers make their own weekend story.
Okay, it's your turn. We'll give you some questions. Try to answer them out loud. What do you like to do on weekends? What do you enjoy doing after work or school? How often do you go out with friends?
Take a few seconds, think about your answers, and speak slowly. It's okay to make mistakes. Practice helps you get better.
You can say, I like to watch movies on weekends. Or, I enjoy playing games after work.
Nice. Keep speaking. Don't be shy. Your English is improving every day.
Okay, let's have a quick quiz. Ready?
I'll say a sentence, and you tell me if it's correct or wrong. Let's go. I like play football. I like to play football. I enjoy to cook. I enjoy cooking. I always listen music. I always listen to music.
Good job. Remember like to plus verb and enjoy plus ing.
That's right. Keep practicing these sentences every day.
Let's do a quick role play. I'll be Jake, you'll be you. When I ask, you answer. What do you like to do in your free time? Pause. Nice. How often do you do it? Pause. That's great. You're doing really well.
Now I'll try. What do you enjoy doing after work or school? Pause. Awesome. You're getting more confident.
Let's review what we learned today.
We learned how to talk about things you like to do using I like to and I enjoy.
We also practiced how often you do them. Words like always, usually, sometimes, rarely, and never.
And we listened to a short story and did a quick quiz. Wow, you learned a lot today.
You really did. Let's repeat a few key phrases together. Repeat after us. I like to read books. I enjoy listening to music. I usually go for a walk in the morning. I never play video games.
Perfect. Keep practicing every day.
You did an amazing job today. Learning English step by step makes a big difference.
Yes, you're doing great. Don't stop now. Tell us in the comments. What do you like to do in your free time?
We'll read your answers and maybe use some in our next video.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Learn Up English for more easy English podcasts.
Thanks for listening, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye. Keep learning, keep smiling.